Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur your photos in SnapEdit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to blur your photos in SnapEdit, just simply open your SnapEdit application at very first, and after opening the SnapEdit application, you will get the option of Start Editing. Tap into that option and then you can choose any of the image in order to blur the whole image. I'm choosing this image of the lady. Now, in order to blur the image, SnapEdit doesn't give any specific option in order to blur. Now, here comes the catchy part. You have to tap into this editor button, and after that, it will give the option of filters. Now you just simply have to select the filter of blur in order to blur your image in SnapEdit. You just simply have to scroll until you see this box blur option into trendy filters. Then after applying the box blur, you just simply have to tap into done button, and as you can see here, your image will successfully be blurred. This way, you can easily blur your image into SnapEdit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.